installed prior to vessel entry.
Right. So we can say process subset.
You have to identify where the misdirected flow goes to, and then
Misdirected. See, ultimately, if this wall will come, these other lines.
Yeah.
If you see other lines, this will go here.
Okay.
All right. So there is a possibility, but we will say the positive isolation is here. So there is no chance of misdirected flow. Yeah. All right. Process subset is not credible.
What do you mean by positive isolation?
Consequence. Right. Positive isolation.
Double block bleed. Double wall
isolation.
Double block and bleed's not positive isolation. What we've got is there's a spec blind. Sorry,
you mentioned proven isolation.
Double blocking it. Double blocking it. I would say that. I think this is the correct one, right? Kedar?
There is Scott and Sylvester. There is a concern about the positive isolation.
Right, Sylvester, can you tell them what Sylvester?
Yes. Yes.
Sorry, can you hear me speaking?
I can hear you. Yeah, you're in a meeting. You're speaking in a meeting.
Oh, right. Okay. And I'm saying
hello.
Can people hear me? Oh, right.
Yeah.
Right. So could someone please, guys. Yeah, guys. Right. Okay. So you can hear me. So if I say, "Can you hear me?" Can you please answer? Yeah, because normally the microphone shows the volume kind of level increasing as I speak. But